Next one is theorem 1.3, that is let x be a rational number whose decimal expansion what terminates. Then x can be expressed in the form of what p by q, where p and q are co-prime, and the prime factorization of q is of the form what 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of m, where n and m are what non-negative integers. This is the theorem. And before we explained and discussed about what is the decimal expansion here and what is the terminating decimal expansion, and the denominator is in the form of 2 to the power of n into 5 to the power of m. In before problems we discussed about what, how you convert the rational numbers into the p by q form, and again how you write that p by q form in the simplest form. And when we are writing the simplest form, the denominator is what 2 power n into 5 power m form, and p and q are what co-primes. In the same way here some do these problems, that is write the following terminating decimals in the form of p by q and what factors are there for denominators. Here first problem is 15.265. First we have to write the following terminating decimals in the form of p by q. First we have to write this in the p by q form. After that we have to write out what factors are there for the denominators. Let us see. How you write it in the p by q form? 15.265. It's equals to, before we said, that is after the decimal expansion we are having 3 digits. For removing the decimal point, that is 15265 by, here in denominator part we have to write 10 to the power of what? After the decimal how many digits you are having? That is 3 digits. Here 10 to the power of 3. This is the form of p by q for the given decimal expansion. And now again it can be written as what? 15,265 by, again here this 10 cube is written as what? 2 to the 2 into, first write 2 into 5 whole cube, that is 2 5s are 10, 10 whole cube. Now again it is equals to what? Here write it as 5 into 5 3s are how much? 15. Again here 0, because at a time we are taking here 0, and 5 5s are how much? 25, and here 5 3s are 15. Now in the denominator part what here? 2 into 5 whole cube means it can be written as 2 power 3 into 5 power 3. 2 power 3 into 5 to the power of 3. That is, it is equals to what? 5. Here 5 into 3053 by 2 cube into 5 cube, no? Here 5 into 3053 by, here 2 cube into, again this 5 cube is written as what? 5 square into 5. If you write like this, 5 and 5 gets cancelled. Now it is equals to what? 3053 by 2 cube into 5 square. Once you see this here x be a rational number, that is 15.265 is a rational number whose decimal expansion what? Terminates. Then x can be expressed in the form of what? P by q, where p and q are what? Co-primes. Here p and q are what? Prime numbers, that is 15,265 by 10 cube here. Now again this 15,265 can be written as what? As a product of prime factors. This is 5 is a prime number, and this 3053 is also a prime number. This is the product of prime factors. And then the denominator part, this is 10 cube, that is 2 into 5 are 10, 2 into 5 whole cube. Now again it is in the form of a into b whole to the power of m, that is a to the power of m into b to the power of m form, that is 2 cube into 5 cube. Now 5 into 3053 by 2 cube is as usual, and this 5 cube I am writing this as 5 square into 5 to the power of 1. Here 5 gets cancelled. Now 3053 by 2 cube into 5 square. These are what this, the denominator is in the form of what here? 2 power n into 5 to the power of m. Here where m and n are what? Non-negative integers. In this way you can find the factors for the denominators also. Next second problem is 0.1255. See once. 0.1255 is equals to what? 1255 by, after the decimal we are having 4 digits, that is 10 to the power of 4. Again this 1255 is written as what? Product of prime factors as what? 5 2s are 10 here, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. That is 5 into 251 equals to 1255. Now in the denominator 10 to the power of 4 means 2 5s are 10, that is 2 into 5 whole to the power of 4. Now it is equals to what? 5 into 251 by here 2 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4. And now it is equals to what? 5 into 251 by 2 to the power of 4 into, this is 5 to the power of 4. That means it can be written as 5 power 3 into 5 to the power of 1. This 5 and 5 is cancelled. Now it is equals to 251 by 2 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 3. That is 1255 by 10 to the power of 4. This 1255 is written as product of prime factors as 5 into 251, and the denominator is 2 into 5 whole to the power of 4. That is denominator is a into b whole to the power of m form. A power m into b power m, 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. That is here 5 into 251 by 2 power 4 into this 5 power 4 is written as 5 to the power of 3 into 5. That is here 5 to the power of 1 like this. Here 5 gets cancelled. Now 251 by 2 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 3. The denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 to the power of m, where m and n are what? Non-negative integers. And the next, third, fourth, fifth as, take it as homework. That is 0.4, 23.34 and 1215.8, same as this model. Take a screenshot if you want this homework. Next one is theorem 1.4, that is what? Let x equals to p by q be a rational number such that the prime factorization of q is in the form of what? 2 power n into 5 power m, where m and n are non-negative integers. Then x has a decimal expansion which terminates. That is, here x is given in the form of p by q. Now we have to write it in the form of what? Decimal expansion form. That is terminating decimal expansion. In the before we write the decimal expansion into p by q form. Now we have to write the p by q form into the decimal form. That is first one here. In do this, write the denominators of the following rational numbers in 2 power n into 5 power m form, where n and m are non-negative integers, and then write the numbers in their decimal form. First one is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 equals to, for converting it into decimal form, first convert the denominator part into powers of 10. That is 4 is written as what? 2 square. Okay. To convert the denominator part into powers of 10, here we are having what? 2 square. If you multiply this 2 square with 5 square, what will be happened here? 2 square into 5 square equals to 10 square. That's why here I am multiplying and dividing with 5 square. Now it is equals to what? 3 into 5 square. 5 5s are 25. Now it is what? 2 square into 5 square. That is 2 into 5 whole square. Now 3 into 25 equals to 25 3s are 75. Here 2 into 5 whole square. That is 2 5s are 10. That is 10 square. Now it is equals to what here? 75 by 10 square. That means it is 75 by 10 square means 100. That is, it can be written as what? 0.75. This is the decimal form of 3 by 4. It is in the form of what? P by Q form. Now it is in the form of what? Decimal form. Okay. And basically this is how you do this. Here 3 by 4. How you find out the decimal expansion generally? That is, here 4, we have to divide 3 with 4. That is, here 3 is what? Less than 4. That's why I am taking here 0 and decimal point here 0. Now it is 4 7s are 28. Now here 30 minus 28 equals to what? 2. Now here 2 is less than 4. That's why I am writing here 0. That is 4 5s are 20. And that in the remainder is 0. 0.75. Once here 3 by 4 equals to 0.75. And next see the second one also same model. That is second problem is what? 7 by 25. That is 7 by 25 is written as what? 25 is written as in 5 powers 5 square. Again, for converting the denominator into powers of 10, here I am multiplying and dividing with 2 square. That is 2 square by 2 square. Now it is equals to what? 7 into 2 square means 4. Now it is what? 5 into 2 whole square. This is a power m into b power n. Now I am writing this as a into b whole to the power of m. Now it is equals to 7 4s are 28 by 5 2s are 10 square. 28 by 10 square. That is, it is equals to what? 28 by 100. 28 by 100 means it can be written as in the decimal form 0.28. 0.28. Next one is 51 by 64. Third one. It can be written as 51 by 64 means how you write this 64? It can be written as in 2 powers. It cannot be right in the form of 5 powers. That's why 51 by 2 to the power of 6. Okay. After writing this 51 by 2 to the power of 6, now we have to convert the denominator into powers of 10. Powers of 10. That's why here I am multiplying and dividing with 5 to the power of 6 by 5 to the power of 6. Now it is equals to what? 51 into 5 to the power of 6. And that is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 by here 2 to the power of 6 into 5 to the power of 6. That is 2 into 5 whole to the power of 6. Now simplify this one. Here I am writing what? 51 into multiply all these two ones. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625 and 625 5s are 3125 and 3125 5s are how much? 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12. That is 5 1s are 5 6, 5 3s are 15, 15,625. By denominator part is what? 2 into 5 whole to the power of 6. That is a into b whole to the power of m form. Here it is a power m into b power m form. I converted it as a into b whole power n. Now it is what? 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6. Okay. Next multiply this 51 with 15,625. That is into 51. That is first with 1. That is 1 5s are 5, 1 2s and 1 6, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. And next here with 5. 5 5s are how much? 25. Next 5 2s are 10. That is 10 plus 2 is what? 12. Next 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 is what? 31. Now 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3 equals to what? 28. Next 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 is what? 7. Now add all these 5. This is 7. 6 plus 2 8. 5 plus 1 6. 8 plus 1 9. This is 7. That is 7 9 6 8 7 5 by 10 to the power of 6. Here we are having what? 7 9 6 8 7 5. In the denominator we are having 10 to the power of 6. How you write it in the decimal form? Before that, once you listen here, that is for example 75 by 100. How you write this in the decimal form? Here of 0.75, because in the denominator we are having 100. 100 means it is equals to what? 10 square. That's why I am writing what? 0.75. In the same way, this is also can be written as what? 0.796875. 0.796875. This is the decimal form of what? 51 by 64. In this way, do these sums, that is 14 by 25 and 80 by 100. Take this as homework and take a screenshot if you want this.
If you want to continue with this channel, make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.